Myself Rajpriya Kaur. You are watching News Movement English. Welcome to this channel. Let's have a look on these updates. Hello viewers, today is Friday. We are presenting something different, but there is a need of your cooperation. If possible, share your experience with us. You may WhatsApp your video and details on the number 7001967279. Alternative number is 8617659448 and another number is 9064082784. Your name or email will be kept secret if you wish. Vinov Guinea House at KN Mukherjee Lane, Asansol 1. Telephone number 0341 2311920. Mobile number 9933990442. In details in diamond, gems and stones, gold and hallmarked jewelry, silver item and utensils, Jordic power items. Today, petrol and diesel vehicles are polluting the atmosphere and it is costing too much on the road. There are some alternatives. Investors and general people, as well as the government, may think about it. Here is the same details. Hybrid cycle. It will keep us fit and easy in driving. Let us have a look in a structure of a major manufacturer of parts for automotive and aerospace industry created the such failure biohybrid, a vehicle is small enough to fit in a bike lane, but that has motor assist and is easy parked. Pratik Sedal, innovation manager at Schaeffler, called the biohybrid a solution for future urban transport. At 2 meters 6.5 feet long, 1.5 meter 5 feet tall and 80 centimeter 31 inches wide, the bike combination pedal power and electric motor to move. It is easy maneuvered, only weighing 80 kilometers 176 pound and is emission free. Siddle said the width of the bike might be reduced as model is improved. The biohybrid 2 batteries are located under the seat, easily assembled and lightweight enough to be carried inside for charging. 3 to 4 hours are required for full charge, but those batteries then power the bike for a range of 50 to 100 km, 31 to 62 miles. Electric assisted rides are available up to 15 mph. According to the inspector, you just start pedaling, the battery powered assist kick in automatically and off you go at a pleasant clip. Pedal faster and automatic and continuous gear slide upward to get up to 15 mph when assist end. The racing style steering wheel handlebars turns the biohybrid smoothly. The hand lever operated disc brakes bring you to smart stop. Driver can vary the level of assist they receive while driving the biohybrid. Setting of zero gives the biker complete control over the speed of the vehicle if desired, or they can set the assist at maximum for an easy laid back ride. There is also a reserve setting. Electric assist isn't the only customizable potential of the biohybrid. The seat and steering wheel are adjustable as well. The bike's roof can be removed and stored behind the seat to create a comfortable feel and look. Scaffler Bio Hybrid also comes with the coat hook behind the seat and luggage race on the back. There are a few problems that might have to fixed depending on the local law if the biohybrid enters the market, such as the light and mirrors. The intrigued light at the front and back give to the biohybrid a groovy look, but Knight Rider would need to attach more lumps to be safely seen. There are also intrigued orange indicator light. The visibility over the driver's shoulders is fine. Siddle expected the Scafell biohybrid to be pitched with a cost between 22,500 euros, almost $200, 2,800, or even above 7,000 euros, 7,800, which is equivalent to the price of law and electrical cars. Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes. We also provide all type of competitive class like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. For more details, contact on the number 9932864067 or another number is 8116183079. You can also add as friend on Facebook Angel Vidya Mandir. When we do not feel good mentally, it led to the depression, anxiety, suicide, and other mental health disorder. According to the World Health Organization WHO, mental health is a state of well-being in which the individual realizes his or her own abilities, can cope with the normal stress of life, can work productively and fruitfully, and is able to make the contribution to his her community. This means that when you are unable to realize your potential and cope with the stress of life and work, then your mental health will not be in a good state. To take proper care of your mental health, you should acknowledge the negative feeling, and avoiding your feelings will not bring healing. Let's say you feel sad over a recent breakup. Acknowledge that the end of relationship is painful and you miss the person. It is only by acknowledging your feelings that you would be able to rise against the negative emotion. Some periods in our life can be difficult. We might have lost our job, our loved ones, but that should not make us want to try shortcuts like alcohol, drug, or sex. Bringing on these things instead of dealing with what is actually bother us would have more repairs in the future, like dependency or addiction. Do something or exercise patience. If something makes you sad or anxious, then think of what you can do to fix it or change it. For example, if your boss is toxic, think of way to get a new job. Finding or attempting to find a solution gives you a sense of purpose instead of walling. There are other items when all you have to do is wait it out and be patient. Some things get better in time while going through especially hard time. Activities help to take your mind off negative thoughts, so join a gym, go for paint and ship, join a unit in church, volunteer in a charitable organization, learn a new skill, do something new and fun. Talk to friends and family. This one of the best way to feel better when we have a naughty issue in our lives that are getting us depressed. Writing things on our status or timelines is not enough. When we feel down, we should draw strength from a community of people. It might be friends or family. However, it is the important thing is to do not to suffer in silence. There are time I was worried I might self harm. I called up a friend and we spoke for hours. He was able to calm me down and help me put things in a perspective. Seek medical help. When you feel like something is wrong with your mental health, perhaps you see or hear things, have a violent burst or a rage, or get deeply sad and anxious, you should seek medical help and therapy. Medical help is not about just getting drugs and that calm you down, but also understanding the root causes of your behavior. Consecutive behavior therapy also helps you to challenge the core of the negative beliefs that feeling you have. Eat good and sleep well. Good job. As many nutrition that are good for your mental health. Cut out the junk food and eat fruits and vegetables that provide your brain and body with the nutrition. Getting adequate rest, especially at night, is important to have an improved mental state. Lastly, be kinder to people offline or online in such as much as you are taking care of your mental health. Don't be the reason someone mental health issue is negative impact. Challenge 100% success guarantee or 100% money refund with current agreement. Z NEET Motion Durgapur Study Center Motion Tower UCP 22 Bengal Ambuja City Center. Call us 94348 slash 890001 00080. Note 10 important record related to ICC T20 World Cup. The ICC T20 World Cup has started from the last October 17. This time the World Cup is being held in UAE and Oman. A total of 16 teams are taking part in World Cup. In the meantime, there are some records that have been set in a previous edition of the T20 World Cup. These include records such as the highest team score, highest individual score, lowest team score, highest run in a single edition. Coaching for medical NEET AIIMS. Contact number is 98328249975. Address is Rishi Arvind Nagar, Birla Road, Kulti, P. Bardhaman, West Bengal. Now let us hear the poem I Dream a World. I dream a world where a man no other man will scorn, where love will bless the earth and peace its path adorn. I dream a world where all will know sweet freedom's way, where greed no longer saps the soul, nor avarice belights our day. A world I dream where a black or white, whatever race you be, will share the bounties of earth, and every man is free, where witness will hang its head and joy like a pearl attend the needs of all mankind. Of such I dream my world. Poem by Langston Hughes. News daily at 9 p.m. with special features on Friday. News Movement Bangla, News Movement English, News Movement Urdu, News Movement Hindi. For more details and advertisement, contact 9563830 slash 700196727 8617659448 9064082784 9641070758. Here Vikas Prasad, editor, working editor, International Sri Krishan Bhavna against the attack, killing and looting, arson and vandalism in various temples and puja mandals of Bangladesh, including Nokali, ISKCO and Temple of Bangladesh on the Thursday evening. Muradi under Santudi police station, Harikirtan was protested by the dead union by the forming human chain. Also, a candlelight procession was taken out.
অনুষ্ঠিত হচ্ছে থানার নোয়াখালী মন্দিরে বাংলাদেশে বিভিন্ন মন্দির পূজা মণ্ডপে হামলা, হত্যা, লুটপাট, অগ্নিসংযোগ এবং বিগ্রহ ভাঙচুরের যে প্রতিবাদে মানব বন্ধন এবং প্রতিবাদ সমাবেশ ইসকনের পক্ষ থেকে সরাসরি তুলে ধরছে আমাদের পথে।
Novel coronavirus COVID-19. Prevention is better than cure. Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Always cover your mouth and nose while sneezing. Wash your hand regularly. Wear mask. Use sanitizer. Avoid social gathering. Avoid contact with others. Don't touch your eyes and mouth frequently. Issued in public interest. For trade inquiry, mail care @rkmgroup.in. Call toll free number 1800258760. Now I am presenting SMS of movement. Be grateful for everything that's working for you at the present moment in your life. Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.